bo amogele mogaetso jalo go gore ke re Thanya Production ba simolotse gape dinepe tsa batho le tsone di teng ka fa Kagiso Sports Development Academy ba simolotse re tshwere jalo Thato le Thato ba re ke Mr Charisma ba Captain Charisma o tlebele gore di tlhobo magobe di tlebe di ilwa ka fale Captain Charisma le ke ra
Sure, dog. How are you? I'm good, eh?
now re siame ra man gore ke re bona exhibition fight is about to happen we kuda ya
Hey, when I get play, I'm very happy for you, dude. It's the first time. It's an inaugural magnitude tournament. So, first time of boxing. First time Mukas on the boxing event, the exhibition. Like it's something new. It has never happened, especially most starting with them. I want to ring, well equipped. So I'm looking forward to it. Sure.
sa rona go gore re godise boxing ka mokgone le ka teng le ka mokgore batlang gore boxing e ka teng wena mo batšheng ora o ka ba ra reng fela ka boxing fela jaaka so sa rata fela ka pelo le moya
Well, boxing is one of the most respected and historical sport that made a lot of champions and a lot of figures, high-profile figures in life. So if you feel as in number two some years back, especially for the black community, I feel it could slowly get back there. So we will work hard on building it, and hopefully boxing is a very wonderful sport. But it demands a lot. It needs a lot of discipline. And I'm not saying now I'm 100% disciplined, but I went for so many years, 15 years, so I'm happy. And I'm positive with that future.
all right now on community expect batho ba ratang boxing between wena le di amateur boxers tse di tla le di professional boxers just on the day le rapetseng on the 8th
It's going to be a very wonderful day because it's the first time just with Sahara. Normally, we ball because it's a common man's game, but then boxing will be a new thing. Machitaga, Bafana Bagaba, Baba Kalamanyanga, Hozala boxing, Hoba involved. We'll be so happy. So it's going to be a wonderful day. I believe.
ha re leboge mogaetso Thanya Production dinepe tsa batho ga mmogo le Kagiso Sports Academy ba go tlisetsa le Captain Charisma exhibition fight bona night fight bona mo strata re tswala strata jaanong Themba mo Kgorosi Moroka bona di shopo di tswetswe ke rona tlebe re le fo ha re leboge mogaetso